Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Labor Day discount, which which can be capped at a particular amounts. For example, you need to make a discount like 10-20% off up to some amount, which can be $200 on all products on the Labor Day days. So, for example, to make it live, you can use the next discount app from Shopify App Store. You can install it from Shopify App Store, or you can use the link I have given in the description of this video to make it easier to install. So after installing the app, you will be on the app homepage. So create a new discount. So since we are giving for all products, better to give a automatic discount, and you can give its Labor Day sale, give it a percentage discount. We said it's 20% up to $200 or any other currencies for all products, and you can give a custom message. So you can give Labor Day sale live, something like that, right? You can give any minimum purchase quantity, not setting any minimum purchase quantity, and you can give it for all customers, and only customers should only use only one time. And sorry, this cannot be done. So this is only for discount codes. For percentage discount, it's automatic discounts. It's not be there. You can set the start date and end date. So I'm not setting anything. Setting any end date. So when the sale is when the Labor Day sale is going to down, you can easily set the end date also and see the changes. Right. And we are going to our live store and checking how it's working. I'm deleting this particular product and trying to check out. So you can see it's applying, right? And the message we are giving, it's already there. And maximum people are getting is 200. So it will check how it's checkers. It will check the 20% of that particular amount. 20% of 1,000 is 1,050 is 250, right? So if it's above 200, it will only get 200 as maximum. But if it's below 20% of that particular amount, that 20% will be applied, right? So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.